Alright guys, that will be it for the build video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little montage that I put in there. Since this is a very simple build, I didn't feel the need to go over the details and explanations, so I put a little bit of a montage in there, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyway, I'm gonna still go over the little procedures that I did to make this, in case you're still confused or the montage is a little bit vague and not clear. So the actual tabletop and the shelf itself is made with only plywood and 4 strips of lumber. I cut the lumber to size with a 45 angle degree, and I kind of like banded the plywood, and then I rounded the corners and I gave it a round over on the router table, and I painted black and white with this kind of like an inlay plywood wood texture on it. And since I like black and white, that's the route that I went, and it's looking kind of like modern. The triangular pieces, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's over here. The triangular pieces are simply just for aesthetics to cover up the mechanism itself. The mechanism is at the front over here. There's 3 pieces of plywood that would act as a front clamp pad that clamps onto your bed frame. And what's behind the triangular pieces is the mechanism that clamps onto that clamp pad. So overall, it's a pretty simple construction. 3 clamp pads with a tabletop that clamps onto your bed frame, and it gives a little floating effect, and it's really handy. You can put stuff on here while you're sleeping. Yeah, it's like hidden, modern. If you want to take it off, you can. So it's really easy and simple to use. Anyway guys, that would be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to support the channel and also build this yourself in detail, then I have a detailed set of plans right here that you can go check out, or you can just visit my website t2stuff.com for more info. Alright guys, that will be it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next time.